Hello San Diego, my name is Gabe Mendez and today is January 11th, 2018. It's late o'clock at night. Let me ask you this. Are you between the ages of 24 and 35? I'm talking about millennials, Gen Y, Gen X. This video is for you. Have you been thinking about buying a home? I get it, you guys want to buy a house. The idea of purchasing a property is overwhelming. We're scared about the entire process. Maybe your family, your friends were affected by the crash in 2008, lost your house, lost your job. But all of us, we're not affected by that. Emotionally we were, but not directly. But I get that a lot of us carry a lot of that baggage with us. Answer this question. Have you ever thought to yourself, I'd like to buy a house, but I need more information. I want to buy a home, I just don't know what the first step is. A couple of my clients, first-time home buyers, reached out to me. Well, I'm not even gonna tell you what happened, just look.
We're trying to figure out right now and putting about 5% down, so they go PMI or no PMI. Less maybe looking at FHA, just trying to find them the best loan options.
Vote for you guys?
Yes.
Yeah, day one here. Good stuff, man, awesome. Give us a call, we'll sit you guys down like they're sitting down. We'll just get you some information, your debt, we'll look at your income, credit, all that stuff, and we'll figure out what program is best for you. Low down payment, no down payment, and down payment assistance, everything.
Absolutely, it's a pleasure. Looking forward to working with you guys.
Congratulations, guys. You guys have a good night.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, thank you. Yeah, 30-second dumbed down version of what we just did and what they should expect when they're coming to meet with us.
So I'm already assuming that you brought a little bit of documentation, so want to answer any questions, concerns that you have. It's really just want to give you a little bit of info, really what keeps you up at night about getting a mortgage, and then I'll pre-approve you right on the spot, right in front of you, so you can see all the numbers. And then from there, it's my job to shop around and find you guys the best deal, and then hand it over to Gabe and find you the best house.
Don't confuse yourself. Buying your first house doesn't start with looking at houses online or driving to open houses. Buying a home starts by getting yourself more information. Give us a call today. We'll sit down with you and do a personal evaluation of your income, credit, debt, assets, and we'll give you one of two answers. One, you'll qualify for a home loan. Or two, you won't qualify. If you do, we're going to tell you which programs are available, what your monthly payment will look like. This way you can take that information home and make an educated decision as to what you want to do next. And if you don't qualify, that's okay too, because we're going to give you a personalized step-by-step blueprint that you can follow so that you can be ready to buy a house when you want to buy one. Give us a call today. Wait. Before I give you guys my telephone number, if you're one of those people who likes to read reviews before you make a decision, check out our Facebook page, check out our Yelp account, and find out why so many first-time home buyers hired us to buy their first home. 619-876-2265. Bye.